Hello, should I buy fractional shares for swing trading? Well, I don't know if a brokerage firm will allow you to buy um, a fractional shares. I buy whole share. The minimum I buy is one share of a stocks, or like those whole share 1, 2, 3, not 1.5 or 2.5. When you are investing in mutual fund and if there is a certain dollar amount you are investing, that amount can buy fractional shares for you. But again, is the brokerage firm doing that? When you are swing trading or when you are investing in individual stocks, you purchase a whole stocks, but you chose to reinvest the dividend. That dividend can purchase a fractional share for you. When the dividend is paid, the brokerage firm will use it to purchase a fraction of share for you. It could be 0.1 share, whatever that amount when is reinvested can buy of share. But again, I never tried before, but there is so many way brokerage firm are um, in encouraging young investors to get into the stock market. They could offer options that will allow you to buy fractional shares, like, I don't know, I'm just making it up, like, a certain dollar amount you can invest every month or so. But again, we are talking about trading individual stocks here. But when it comes to Charles Schwab and what I have been doing with them for many number of years, that I purchase stocks and buy stocks using that platform or that brokerage firm, we always purchase a whole share. So when I got into swing trading, I just continue the same principle. So today we are going to analyze NVDA as of May 11, 2026. And when I'm placing my orders, I will just round it to the nearest number of share, whole share number of share I can afford to purchase. So we have NVDA here, and I like to buy at this support line, but right now is the price is close to the top of the mountain or the peak than it is to this valley. So I'm just going to continue observing it. I purchased it in 2024 toward the end of the year. We have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So I purchased it in December 2024 and I sold it, and then it pulled back on me to this support line. So I became negative in it for a while, and then I sold it around June 30th. So I purchased it, and it could be around 136 or so, and I sold it around 165. So if the arrow will now show us exactly the price that I pay for it, but the day that I purchase it. So about $29 profit per shares. But yes, again, I just purchased whole number of shares when I'm placing my orders. What about you? When you swing trade, does does your brokerage firm allow you to buy fractional share? Do you purchase fractional share of stocks when you are swing trading? Thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments. And we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman. And on this channel, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to have another stream of income. Just start small and slowly but surely grow your account from there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, and I like to share what I'm learning, what is working for me, what is not working here with you, so that if you find some tips useful, you can customize them to use in your own financial success journey. Will you please use our information with caution? Thank you. For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step using long option line in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store Liberman.com. If you are looking for tote bag, cloth napkins, pouches, will you please check our online store Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.